What's up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Fun with Horsepower. Like I said in previous videos, we have another vehicle, a third vehicle in our fleet or stable of cars. This one we haven't really unveiled yet because it's had a few little issues that we need to address, so it wasn't running at the moment. So now we're actually out here today. We're gonna actually fix the car, but I figured it'd be a good time to kind of unveil it and show you guys what we have. So without further ado, we'll show you this one here. Ooh, just ripped. As you can tell, it's been sitting for a while because the cover just ripped.
And the grass is very high.
And the grass is very tall.
And it rips some more.
It just ripped again.
Okay, we need a new one of those.
So
all right, just rip it all.
With that being said, this is our 05 GTO. Get around here and get the rest of it off. Oh, come on. There we go. So this is the 05 GTO. As you can see, well, what you can see, because the grass is really tall. Yellow 05, it was originally a 6.0 motor. It is still a 6.0 motor, but it's been fully built. And we'll pop the hood real quick so you can check that out when we get that.
Take a look at the interior while he's doing that. Interior is still pretty clean.
It's actually really clean.
Interior definitely looks better than the exterior. Not perfect, but it's very nice. And let me tell you, these seats, super comfortable.
Super comfortable. All right, so as I said, the motor's fully built. It's a Thompson Motorsports block, and it's got ported heads. It is actually twin turboed, tuned. It's actually detuned really to only about 600 horsepower at the moment. That's like maybe 10 pounds of boost. So it can be turned way up still, but it's a really fun car to drive. I'll show them the engine.
All right.
As you can see, turbos are in there. And I will say, it is one of the worst cars to work on. The headers get in the way of everything, but blast to drive. There is no AC. We're a little up in the air at the moment on whether we're gonna keep it. Someone over here likes his AC.
Yeah.
And it is his car.
You live in Florida.
It is Florida, so it gets hot. So we're gonna actually put a fuel pump in it today because it was giving us a fit. It does have a dual pump in it, but I think the main pump has gone bad. So we'll give you a video of us tackling a fuel pump in the GTO.